So let's take a look at TinkerBox. It's this one here. When we load it, it gives us some options. We're certainly going to look at the new one, and we want to override it, and we are going to invent our own little mechanics game here. So basically, to go back to that main menu, we hit the spanner at the top. Down here, we've got all the different tools that we can actually put in. So there's a little box, for example. We might go towards the rope, and so you just drag it over, and basically it's all about mechanics. So it has attributes and behaviors, and what we can do there is we can then maybe drop a, I think I've got a little, I'll put that there. Let's go towards the metallic ball, that one. And basically what we can do is we can move these things, and then down the left-hand corner, when we actually press the play button, you can see down the left-hand corner, it actually comes to life. So I'll press play, you'll see the rope, and the cube comes off and lands on the ground. So knowing that, we can start to manipulate and change things a little bit. So in this case, we might put another rope here, and we might move that over here and join those two bits of rope, move this over here and see what's happening there, and press play again. And what we've got is we've got a double rope there, a little bit like cut the rope game if you've ever played that. And then the sky's the limit. We've got all these different objects that we can play around with. We've got all sorts of ramps and different things that we can bring in. So we might bring that in, bring that over here. And I guess the good thing about this is when we actually try these different things, for example, we actually learn about what the attributes are. So if I move that down like this up here, and move that over here, and move that up here, and when we press play, we can start to look at the behaviors of the different attributes and so forth. So I'm hoping that you can see a lot of potential here for that design, make, and appraise type process where kids can make mechanical robots, they could make little factories, and they can bring in these attributes. But I think it's the process of learning that's the most important thing here. What we've got, obviously, is students bringing something in, testing to see what the behaviour and attributes are, and then building something. And certainly with our kids, maybe looking at Year 5 next term, we're going to be looking at designing a whole process there and creating something from scratch, and then actually reflecting on it and see how we did. So once again, that's a quick little tutorial on TinkerBox. Lots of potential for the secondary school, upper primary, really cool, gets kids creating instead of just playing, and gets them learning in that process as well. Paul Hamilton here signing off.